How you doing, guys? Welcome back to Invested Intelligence, and in today's video I'm going to be discussing how to draw very simple support and resistance. And the idea here isn't to get clever with our technical analysis. It really is as simple as just making references on your chart and then waiting for price to either do one of two things: drive into those levels or hit those levels, so you can make more informed trading and investing decisions. So when we're looking at a chart like this is just the chart of the NASDAQ. The most important thing is to identify maybe one or two levels. You don't want to be piling everything onto your charts and making things cluttered up. This isn't really about indicators. This is just about identifying simple areas. So what we want to do is we want to be looking for areas where we believe price has been, pretty dramatic in moving away from that level. There is one here, which we can clearly see price ran up. It's created a very nice swing point, and then price has started to run away from that level, and it did so pretty significantly. It wasn't just a very small move away from that level, it was a pretty significant thing. And what's important as well is many people look at charts and they say, okay, but you're drawing this in hindsight. Yes, we are drawing in hindsight, but it's a level that's fresh, it's a level that hasn't been retested, and it's a level that we can clearly see was created a very long time ago, and now we're a pretty good distance away from that level. So this is something that we can easily identify as a non-hindsight level. The other thing that we want to be looking for is areas where price has basically spent some time. There is another one down here. So you can see that this is not overly complicated. The issue becomes when we draw these on our charts, because there's many videos, there's many blogs, there's many, educators online. A lot of people talk about support and resistance, right? And I'm not showing you anything new, but I'm going to be discussing why this is a problem when it comes to being able to use this information in a positive way, in a way that makes sense in terms of trading and investing. The issue is you, me, the traders, the investors. We draw these levels, but then we start to expect things to happen. Is price going to run into this level? Is price going to run into this level? Well, it hit it 3 times, or 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Does that mean that price is now going to come down for a 4th time? And then we start to analyze when there's no need to. All we need to do is just simply sit back now and just wait for price to either hit this level or hit this level. Now, obviously, this is a daily chart. This could take months. This could take weeks. Who knows? But ultimately, if you're patient enough and you have a good stock list or a good Forex list or a good crypto list of maybe 10, 15, 20 assets, that you cycle through and wait for potential opportunities for price to hit these levels before you make decisions, then you're going to put yourself in a much stronger position going forward. So that's basically a very simple support and resistance video. I'm going to be doing some more videos, and we're going to be getting a little bit more into an in-depth videos on how to identify certain levels, how to identify breaks in the structure of price, how to identify levels that are more significant than others. But before we get into all of that, obviously this is a very small step towards this much larger goal in terms of trading education. So I hope this video finds everybody well, and I look forward to speaking to you very soon. All the best. Ciao for now.